I
Good morning,
remember
sir.
Sir, we have solved the questions.
5
Yes, sir.
questions as a
Sir,
homework.
last question can solve using another identity also. Sir.
Yes. So we must know that identity to use a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That identity can be used. Can you tell the answers for these questions? First one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. P square minus 2p minus 8 of for
Square
first
minus
question, sir.
2p minus 8, sir.
Yes.
And sir, second answer is 9y square
9y
plus
plus
33y
33y
plus
plus
30.
Yes.
P square minus 8p
2p, sir.
minus 8.
Sir, p square minus 2p minus 8.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Both
8. 2p
is
minus 8.
minus 8.
Minus 2p minus 8.
So
And
this
sir,
9y square
9y square
Square plus
Plus
33y
33y
plus
plus
30.
30.
plus 30.
Sir, 9y square minus
9y square
33y plus
minus
30.
30y minus 30.
Minus 33y
Minus 33y plus 30.
plus 30.
Sir, p square plus 2p minus 8. And sir, 9x
9x
square
square minus
minus 49. 9x square minus 49.
So hope all of you have got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Here are few questions related to addition. As we had discussed, like terms are to be added. It's very important for us to write them one below the other. Suppose if I
Yes,
am
sir.
mentioning
Like terms, unlike terms, yes, sir.
7x plus y plus 7 like this, and 3x should be written just below 7x, and 2y should be written below y, and 1 should be written here. So when we add like terms, it becomes 8, this becomes 3y, this becomes 10x.
10x.
So the result is 10x
10x.
plus 3y plus 8. This can be solved easier
So
way
method.
in mind also. But very important thing is you should know where to put the
Abstract.
like terms. Suppose if I write the answer directly for this, it is 9x square plus 7xy plus 2y plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yes. You should not miss out. So it's better that you write them one below the other. When the number of terms are more, then there is a problem. If the number of terms are less, easier way you can solve. Here one of the term is left out, that is 2y. So 2y plus 4 plus 7xy plus 9x square. We can shuffle the terms. We can write 2y before 4. There is no problem in that. Now, if this type of question is there, it will be little confusing because the terms are interchanged. If I write a minus b plus ab as a first expression, now below a, I have to mention from here what should be written. There is no a term,
Zero.
there is b term, so b term is there,
Yes.
and there is c term which is not there in the previous one, so minus c. There is no bc term also, plus bc. So here I can mention 0 plus 0 plus 0, here plus 0, here 0 plus, so that you won't get confused. In the next expression, there is c minus a plus ac. Below a, in that column, I can write minus a. Now there is plus c. There is no b term. When b term is not there, I can mention 0 over there. There is no ab term also. plus 0. C term, it is there, plus C. BC term is not there, so plus 0 plus AC. Now in the previous expression, plus 0 can be written in the place of AC column. Now they are one below the other. How do we simplify this? 0 plus 0 plus AC is AC. 0 plus 0 plus BC is BC. 0, this is minus C plus C. When minus C and plus C are added up, we are going to get 0 there. Plus AB plus 0 plus AB is AB. Minus B added to plus B is 0. Added to 0 will be 0.
0, sir.
This term will become 0.
0.
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes, sir.
final result?
AB
Final
plus
result
B.
is
AB plus BC plus AC.
C plus AC, sir. Yes, sir.
this is the
AC.
result we get.
We obtained.
So finally what has happened is A term, B term, they get cancelled. C term also they get cancelled. Only these will be left out. This
Yes,
is
sir.
one method of solving. The another method is we can write them one beside the other. Say if I write like this, A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C
Plus
minus
C
A
minus A
plus
plus
AC.
AC.
Now important thing is to write them as a terms together, means grouping will do. Beside A we are going to write A term, so that is A minus A. Then minus B, there is plus B. This is also done. Then minus C plus C. This is done. Now AB
Sir.
plus BC plus
Yes, sir.
AC. Now if you observe these terms, they get cancelled. The final result we get is AB plus BC plus CA or AC. So you can follow any of the method. Only thing is like terms are to be simplified, not others. Now look at this. We have got a bigger expression where 6 terms are there. In both the expression, there are 6 terms. In such cases, if I use the table like this, 4a square b I will write, then minus I'll write over here, minus 3ab plus 5ab square minus 8a plus 7b minus 10. Now from the other expression, I should search for a square b term. Is a square b term present? Yes, it is
Yes, sir.
present in the
By
last.
A square.
Sir, they asked from. No, sir. We should take first this second. This
Very
line.
good, very good, very good.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. We
You
should.
are right. You are right. We have to subtract this from the other. So
Yes, sir. 18
what I
minus.
have to do is
First
I
we
should
should
write
write
this expression first.
second number, sir.
Shall we
Second term.
write in the same order? 18
No,
minus
sir.
Yes, sir.
You should write. You should write highest power first, then go to lowest power.
Yes,
that is
sir.
a standard way of writing. But for solving it, there is no need of writing that in order. So if I write this expression first, now I have to search for the constant. Here the constant is negative 10. So minus 10 I'll write here, followed by A. A term is present.
8
That
minus
is
20.
minus 8A. Now B term is
7b
positive
plus
7B.
b.
Further, there is AB term, negative
Minus
3AB. Now AB square Here
Plus
it is there,
5
plus 5ab square. Then we have 4a square b. Why did I write plus here?
Sir, because it is assumed to be plus.
They will
That means we should take
Whenever
it as
any expression starts, if the no symbol is there, you have to consider that as positive. Now, how do we do subtraction?
Sir, the second expression should be
Sir,
changed
we should change the sign, sir.
Why?
yes, sir.
Sir, minus
because subtraction is
Sir, plus will
multiplication.
become
Minus will become plus,
uh,
sir. Plus.
yes, sir, and
Look
plus
at this.
will become
Look at
minus.
this. I have written here 5 minus 3 equal to 2. The same result 2 is obtained when 5 is added with minus 3. We get the same result. So this means that every subtraction problem is same as addition problem, provided you take the symbol or sign along with the next number.
Yes, sir.
When subtraction is to be done, we always prefer adding them by changing the sign. If I change the sign, it becomes positive, this becomes positive, this becomes negative, this becomes positive, this becomes negative, this becomes negative. Now I will write the final answer. 18. Now I should not take this minus 10. I should take plus 10. 18 plus 10
28.
28.
minus 3a plus 8a. This is a larger one. So we get positive 5a.
plus 5.
Minus 11 minus 7. When they are
Minus
added up, we get
18b.
minus 18b. Positive 5, positive 3. When they are
Plus
added up,
8ab.
plus 8ab. Now
Plus
both are negative. The result will
Minus
be
7ab square.
minus 7ab square. Now 5ab a square b. This is minus
Minus
4a
a
square
square
b.
b.
Only one will be
Minus
left out. So positive, not minus, plus a square b.
A
This is the
square B.
answer. This is a method. I told another method you can write one beside the other. This 4a square b plus 5a square b, that has to be written one beside the other. Means first you write this expression followed by minus of that. Shall we solve in that method?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'll erase this and go back. Let me write this expression first.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is 18 minus
18
3a minus 11b plus
plus
5ab
5ab
minus
minus
2a
2ab
square
square
plus
plus
a square b.
yes, sir.
Now,
5a square B.
in the previous question, I had written plus and added this. Now there is a subtraction. So always when subtraction is there, write minus and
You should
write the
change
remaining
the
terms
sign.
within the
Operations.
bracket. Within the bracket, you write the remaining expression.
5ab square minus 8a
As Uday
plus
says, we have to change the sign because this minus, when it is multiplied, it is like minus 1 is multiplied to each of these terms, distributive property. So first I will change the sign and I will write the expression. Then it becomes easy for solving. So the first set of expression, there is no change. Now minus 4a square b plus 3ab minus,
5ab square
correct, 5ab square plus
plus 8a
8a minus
minus
7b
7b
plus
plus
10.
10.
Now we have to search for the like terms. 18 and plus 10, they are like
Yes,
terms.
sir.
So I will write
18
one beside the other. Minus 3a, a
plus
term is
8a.
there here, plus 8a, plus
Yes, sir.
8a. Further, this is minus 11b.
Minus
B term
7B.
is there here, minus 7b. 5ab plus 5ab and plus 3ab. Then minus 2ab square
Minus
minus
5AB square.
5ab square. Now
Mi-
this is left out.
Plus 5A square B.
Plus 5a square b
Minus
minus
4A square.
4a square b.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to simplify these like terms. I am just underlining the like terms. These are to be simplified. So from this first group, it is 28.
28 we obtain.
Here,
28
negative
5A
3a, we get the
plus
result
5A
as plus
plus
5a
5A
Plus
minus
5.
minus
18b
minus 18b
plus
plus
8ab
8AB square.
8ab 8ab sir
minus
minus 7ab square
ab square.
B square.
plus
This is
a square
plus
b.
a square
B
b.
square.
The result is same?
Yes sir.
Yes. The result will remain same. But when you look at the length of the answer, this is like slightly lengthier than the previous method. In the examination, if they ask to subtract or to add, you can follow any of the method. In the subtraction, it's very important that minus of is taken and I have changed the sign. This two steps are very, very important while doing subtraction. Now look at the question here. The question is to simplify and find the values when x and y x values are given. First we need to simplify this. To simplify, I will just write the question as it is, the first step. Then I have to think what to do. When
The
this
distributive property.
how many terms are there in this? In this expression?
Replace A with replace.
3, sir.
Actually, there are two. This is one term, this is another term. In the previous session, we discussed that terms are separated by means of plus sign and minus sign. Here the multiplication is there, so you have to consider there are two terms. After solving, you will get three terms. When 2a is multiplied to 4a, it becomes 8a square. When 2a is multiplied to negative 2, it becomes minus 4a
4A sir.
plus
Plus 7.
7.
7
This is the simplified form. Now we need to find out when the question is slightly changed. A value
Yes
is
sir.
Plus
yes.
X
You are
should
right.
be become yes sir.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if A value is 2, we have to substitute in the place of A as 2. So
2
8
square.
times of 2 square minus
Plus
4
4
minus
times of
4
2
into 2
plus 7.
plus
plus
7
2
2
square
square
2
is
32.
4. 4 8s are 32 minus
minus 8
8
plus
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 7.
7.
Plus 7 sir.
The
31 sir.
32
31.
minus 1.
31.
We get 31
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir. 31 we get
because
sir.
32 minus 8 is 24 plus 7 is 31 or else
Yes sir.
minus 8 plus 7 is negative 1.
32
32
minus 1.
minus 1 is 30.
Minus 1 is good.
31 sir.
Same way, an A value is 1 by 2. What will be the value of the
1
expression?
by 2 square.
The 8 into 1 by 2
7.
minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 7.
Yes sir.
Abhinav
Plus
says
7.
7 is the answer.
8.
This will
2
be
first.
1 by
2 sir.
4
2
now.
sir. 2
1
Sir,
by
2
4
and
plus 2
again
2
minus 2. 2 and minus 2
minus
cancel.
2
minus 2
plus
plus
7.
7.
This
Plus
7
7 sir.
simply they get
7
7
cancelled.
is answer
Get the
sir.
result as 7.
Yes sir. 7 is answer.
It's simple. Now how to multiply? 5 by
Sir,
7
we
shall
have
be
to
Class
multiply
nine also, yes,
fraction
sir.
first and the variables at the last, sir.
Wait, Shoban has a doubt in this. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Shoban.
So 2, how 2 can be cancelled, sir? It is
How
in
2
minus
can be
sign, no, sir.
cancelled?
Plus
Plus
2 and
Shoban,
minus
Shoban,
Yes,
whenever
2 minus
5
2.
is added to minus 5, we get the result as 0, no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Same way, 5
After
minus
some
5, if it is there, I can simply cancel. Consider that
0,
as 0.
0, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. Understood.
It happens in class 8, certain things will be very difficult. How do we multiply these two? These are
Sir, we
the
have to multiply
monomials.
5 by 7 into minus 21 by 10. And then, sir, we have to multiply a into a square into b square, sir.
Okay, a into a square,
Into
b
b
into
square,
b
sir.
square.
Sir, first we have to multiply coefficients, then literals, then you
Yes,
have
sir.
to multiply.
Correct. I can simplify this 5 two times,
sir.
Yes, sir.
7
Here
3
in the
times,
form,
3 times minus
3
3
by
by
2.
2
minus 3 by
into
2,
here in
a
a into
cube
a
A
is
into
cube,
a
B
b
cube,
cube.
cube.
A cube, B cube.
b into
A
b
cube.
square is b cube.
B cube.
This
Yes.
is the result.
sir, it is a into a, no, sir. Why it become
Uh,
a into a square?
a into a square, why it has become a cube? Very good question. In class 7th, we have learned this a to the power of m multiplied to a to the power of n is
Equal
a
to
to the
A
power of m plus n.
plus M.
This we had learnt it in class 7th. The same identity I am using it. This is called as law of exponents.
Yes, sir. Law of exponents.
Yes.
Same
When
law of
same
exponents
when
are to
same
be used.
values are multiplied, we can add their exponents, sir.
Correct, sir. If you remember, there was another law of exponent a to the power m by a to the power
A equal
n,
to M
Sir,
minus
a to the power m minus m.
Minus m,
Minus
sir.
n.
S, sir.
provided m is greater than n.
M is
And
greater than n.
Yes. The same thing should be used in multiplication as well as division also. Why this concept is very important for us? Because you are going to use identities and simplify. So sometimes there is a multiplication of a to the power 4 into a square b to the power 5. What will be the result?
A to the
sir,
power
a to the power 6 into b to the
A to
power
the
5.
power 6 b5.
Now you are
Yes, sir.
telling the answer, a correct answer, but in the examination, what happens is 4 2 times is 8, a to the power of 8 you will write, and b to the power of 5. This will be wrong. The reason is we have to use the law of exponent. Now there is a question related to multiplication. We have binomials here. To
Yes, sir.
multiply
4x square plus y square
4x, I will multiply with x plus y.
x
Then there is a plus
Y
sign. I will write plus sign. Y I will multiply to x plus
X plus
y.
Y.
Yx plus y.
This is a method or a procedure to multiply when binomials are there. We are
4x.
using
Yes,
distributive
sir.
property.
Yes, sir.
4x
4 into
square
x
The
plus
4x
plus
square
4x
plus
plus
5xy
4x
plus
y
y
4x
square.
Y,
Sir,
y.
sir,
y,
currently
4
we
x
learned
y
one
plus
identity.
y,
yx
We can
y
take
plus
plus
Y
x as
square.
y
You
square.
are correct. These are the like
5
terms. They are to
So
be
5,
added up.
5x
plus
We
yy.
get 4x square
5
plus 5x
Plus
5xy
square
5,
Plus
5yy.
5xy
5xy
plus
plus
y
y
Plus
square.
square.
plus y square.
So the result
plus
is
1.
5xy
4xy
plus
plus
y square.
5xy plus y square. You can change the order and write the answer as 4x square plus y square plus 5xy. It remains the same. The commutative property is true in algebraic expressions also. Now, I'll give you a little time. You tell me the product, final result you tell.
Sir, 15x square y plus 15x square plus 9y square plus 6y.
15x square
Sir, 5 square
15x
plus
square y
x
plus
square
10x
y
square
Plus 9y square
10
10
plus 9y square plus 6y.
plus 9y square
Yes, sir. Plus 6y.
plus 6y. Did all of you got the same result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are only two possibilities now. All of you are correct or all of you are wrong.
Sir, yes, sir.
all of us are correct.
Correct, huh? How
Yes,
did you
sir.
multiply?
Yes,
This
sir.
you multiply to both the terms. You
Yes,
got
sir.
15x square y plus 10x square. Then there is plus sign plus 3y is multiplied to 3y. We get 9y square plus 6y. Now if you observe,
Sir, there are no like terms, sir.
there are no like terms. So the result is same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now another question, binomial multiplied to binomial. Importantly, there is a minus sign, so you should be careful. Yes, multiply. Somebody's crying. Is this very difficult?
No,
Sir, 6a square b square.
Abhinav's answer. Whose answer is this?
Yes, sir. Abhinav.
Sir,
Abhinav's answer.
6a square b square minus 4b cube a
One
plus
minute,
9a b
Sir,
cube
6a b square minus a.
6a
6a
sir.
square b
square b
square
6a square b square minus 5ab cube
4a
minus 6b fourth.
minus 5ab cube
4
Yes, sir. Minus 6b.
minus 6b square.
minus
That's all.
6
No, sir. B fourth.
b b
b
raised
to
to
the
4
power 4. Huh?
B raised to 4, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, b raised to the power 4. That's all.
Yes, sir. That's
Now did everyone get the same answer?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Sir, I
After
got, sir,
The
6a
Shobhan.
square
4ab
b
plus
square
3b cube a.
Shobhan's answer. Yes, Shobhan.
6ab
6ab.
a square b square.
Okay, 6a square b
First
square.
one same, sir. Next
Okay,
minus 4ab cube
minus 4ab cube
Sir,
plus
there are
3ab
like terms, sir.
plus
sir, instead of
3b cube
minus
a
5, make that plus 5.
plus 3b cube a.
yes, sir. Minus
minus
5 plus
6b power 4.
Yes, many have got this as the answer.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Sir, can
No,
I tell
sir.
you my answer?
No, sir.
But
Ashutosh answer is
instead
a
of
square b
minus,
Square b
square
square b square is
minus
Minus
ab cube
4.
minus 2.
minus 6b to the power. Is this the answer, Abhinav?
No, sir.
Okay.
sir, first one in the first
Sir,
one
Sir,
can
is
I
first
tell
one
my
is right.
answer?
first one make it plus 5ab cube, sir.
plus
First
five,
one.
Should be plus 5
5.
AB cube.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is
First
correct.
one is
So since there are many answers, it's better that I will cross check it. What you have to do is 2ab you have to multiply to both the terms. On multiplication, it becomes 6a square b square. So first term there
yes,
is no problem. 2ab multiplied to this will be
minus
minus
4ab.
Minus
4ab cube.
4ab cube.
ab cube
Correct. Plus
plus
3b square multiplied
9
to this will be 9 times of
9ab cube.
ab cube.
ab cube
Cube.
Minus
Plus
6b to the power 4.
minus 6b power 4.
Yes, sir. This is the answer.
Here
Yes, sir.
these two are the like terms.
Yes, sir.
Term, sir.
When we add
6a
them, we
square
get
b
plus
square
5ab cube.
plus
Plus
Minus
5ab
5
cube
5a.
cube, sir.
minus
Minus
6b to the
6
power 4.
b
Yes,
This
sir.
is the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
final
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
What was the confusion? The confusion was some of you have written plus 9b cube a and minus 4ab cube. Then you thought what to do with this. Actually, these two are one and the same. A,
Yes,
B
sir.
cube, B cube A, they are one and the same. So they are the like terms. You should simplify and get it as positive 5 AB cube. Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. This is another question. It looks very simple, but I think many will get different answer. Right?
Sir, there is one more identity, A plus B plus C
This
whole
is
bracket
trinomial,
equal
sir.
to.
There is another identity. Abhinav will take the identities after this. Asini, you are multiplying.
Here is the answer. A square plus AB.
This is A square.
A square plus AB
Okay.
minus AC
Minus AC
plus BA
plus BA
plus B square
plus B square
minus BC
minus BC
plus CA
plus CA
plus CB
plus CB
plus C square.
plus C square.
So
So can I tell
minus
my
C.
answer?
You just see the terms. There are few like terms. This is like
Sir,
term.
last one is minus C square.
Yes, sir. We can add this like
Yes, sir.
terms.
Last one is minus C square.
Minus C square, sir.
Sir, last one is minus C square.
Okay, I am changing it.
Last one minus C square, sir.
Okay, sir. Now you just observe there are like terms.
Yes,
These are
sir.
the like terms.
Yes, sir.
On observing, it is very clear that one of them is positive, another is negative in few case.
Yes, sir.
This is minus AC plus AC. The sum becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
AB and BA, they are the same, but
So
plus sign is
2AB.
there.
A square minus C square.
Correct. This get cancels. The final result is A square plus
Plus
2AB
2AB.
plus B square minus C square. Did you get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have got, sir.
Now if I slightly change the
Yes, sir. Yes.
question, A minus B plus C multiplied to A plus B plus C, what will be the result?
Sir, only B will be in my.
Shall I write directly? A square
Minus
plus
2AB
2AC plus B square, sorry, minus B square plus C square. You can check the answer. Probably this is correct.
Yes, sir.
What logic I have used is, here minus C square term is negative. So minus B is there in this. So B square term has to be negative. Since minus C was there, AC term and BC term were not there. Here minus B is there. So wherever B is there, that term should not be there. So this may be the answer.
B square.
Raghavendra is calculating. Yes, Raghavendra. Ajay says there is voice not audible. You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Ajay, maybe problem with your network here. This identity we have seen in the previous session. X plus A into X plus B is X square plus A plus B times of X plus AB. Whenever identity is there, there will be two parts in the identity. This part is called as a left hand side part and this is a right hand side part. Always left hand side and right hand side of identities will be equal. If I consider the left hand side, we have x plus a into x plus b. We have to use distributive property. Xi will multiply to these two terms, x times of x plus b, plus a is multiplied to these terms, it is x plus b. On multiplying further, we get x
X
square
square
plus
plus x bx
bx plus
plus
ax
ax plus
plus
ab.
ab. Now we have to take x common and rearrange them. Or first I will rearrange it as ax plus bx plus ab. This will be x
That's
square
splitting.
plus a plus b times of x plus ab. This is the right hand side. We have used this identity in solving few questions.
Yes, sir.
Now the second identity is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's do algebraically. I'll consider the left hand side, a plus b whole square. The meaning of a plus b whole square is a plus b is multiplied to a
Two times,
plus
sir.
b. That is a
Yes, sir.
plus b
Yes.
into a plus b. Now use the same rule of multiplication. A is to be multiplied to a plus b is to be multiplied to a plus b. A times of a is a square, a times of b is ab, b times of a is ba, it is same as ab, b times of b is
A
a
square.
square. These are the like terms. So a square
Yes, sir. We can
plus
add it.
2ab plus b square. This is our right hand side. To remember this particular identity, most of us, we remember this as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is how we remember. It's easy for remembering in this particular pattern. Now the same, is it true in case of minus is there? The
Yes,
left
sir.
hand side
True, sir.
is a minus b into a minus b.
Only to AB will become minus.
So quickly we'll multiply. This becomes a square minus ab minus ba plus b square. Here important thing is negative b is multiplied to negative b, it becomes positive b square.
And
These
ready?
two are like,
And ready?
A square minus 2ab.
correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
True.
Yes. Shobhan,
Yes, sir.
என்னாச்சு Shobhan?
Not,
Nothing, yeah? You understood this?
nothing, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the use of these two identities? Is there any use?
So we can solve faster.
Sir, we can
Yes,
solve
sir.
faster and
Can
it is easy to
Fast.
solve, sir.
can solve
Multiply
truncated problems.
easier.
Easy to solve
Suppose
also. We can't.
suppose
Complete.
number is there,
Square
105 whole square.
Yes, sir.
If this number is there, I can directly write this as 100 square plus 5 square plus 2 times
Yes,
of
sir.
5 into 100. This becomes 10,000 plus 25 plus 2
10,
multiplied to 5 is 10, 10 multiplied to
10
1000
plus
is
200.
1000. So the result is 110,
200.
1020.
sorry, 11025. Is
Yes,
this the
sir.
answer?
100.
0 to
Yes, sir.
So the basic purpose of knowing this identity is it makes the things easy when the numbers are
easier.
there.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Example
sir,
for this, 98 square if you want to find. You can write this as 100 minus 2 whole square. This will become 100 square plus 2 square minus 2 times of 2 into 100. What is 100 square? 10,000.
1000.
4
Yes, sir.
square is 4
4 square minus.
minus 2 twos are 4.
4.
400 has to be subtracted. What is
Yes, sir.
400 subtracted from 10,000?
600, sir.
600. So the result is 604.
No, sir.
No,
Then
9,000.
10,600.
9,600.
yes, sir.
9,000,
9,600.
sir. 9,604.
So
Yes,
when
sir.
4 is
10,604,
added,
sir.
9604.
It is
So
10,000, sir.
this identity will help us in solving problems where a square is involved. Correct?
Yes, sir.
There is yet another identity, a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. This particular identity is considered as a very important identity because in solving most of the expressions, we do use this particular identity. For example, if 25 minus 16 is given, the result is 9. It is known to us. Correct?
Yes,
That
sir.
is 5
Plus,
square minus 4 square is 3 square. If you do this, 5 plus 4 into 5 minus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 minus 4 is 1, we get 9. This is a simple one. If a larger number is there, say for example 120 square minus 34 square is there, the instead of finding square, it is better that we do like this: 120 plus 34, 120 minus 34, and this will be 154, and this will be 120 minus 34 is how much?
116, sir. 116.
A, it is 90,
86, sir.
86.
86, sir. 86.
86. So multiplying these two numbers is easier than finding the square of two different numbers.
Both and
Yes, sir.
it is easier to solve over that method, sir.
Okay, sir. How do we prove this in an algebraic way? We'll consider the left hand side, a plus b into a minus b. So a
Yes,
is
sir.
multiplied to a minus b plus b is multiplied to a minus b.
Yeah, my yes, sir. A
So a
square plus
square
AB,
minus ab
AB plus,
is plus ba minus b square.
yes, sir, minus B square is equal
Now,
to A square minus
like
C square.
like terms are there. The thing is, one is a negative, other is positive.
Full
The sum
positive
becomes
is
zero.
equal to 0, sir.
Yes, we'll cancel it.
Cancel, sir, is equal to
We
0.
get a square minus b square.
A square minus B.
Can you try this?
Yes,
The meaning of a plus b plus c whole square is it has to be multiplied twice.
sir. Trinomial into trinomial.
It is a trinomial into trinomial, correct? So this identity and this
There are
identity, you will try a plus b
yes,
whole
sir.
Yes,
cube
sir.
and a plus b plus c whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I shall
Sir,
end
then
today's
a
session
minus
here.
b whole cube.
Yes, sir. You
A
want to
minus
try
b
this
whole cube.
also? Okay, sir. These three you try. One is a plus b plus c whole square. Second one is a plus b whole cube. And the third one is a minus b whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you show sixth one, sir?
Which one?
Sixth